I, BZ Zamir Ahmad Khan, do swear in name of Allah and my mother solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India by law established, that I will uphold sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully, conscientiously discharge my duties as a Minister of State of Karnataka, and that I will do right to all manners of the people according to the Constitution and the law without fear or favor, affection or ill will. I, BZ Zamir Ahmad Khan, do swear in name of Allah and my mother, solemnly affirm that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall come to brought me under consideration or shall become known to me as a Minister of the State of Karnataka, except may be required to use of discharge my duties as a Minister.
Andhra.